In this video, Bitcoin is about to pull a very massive move to the upside, and many people are not expecting this. So I'm going to be talking about the weekly time frame, because right now many signals are flashing bullish for the Bitcoin price in the weekly time frame, and also including this pattern, which I'll talk about in today's video. So we won't be talking about the 4-hourly time frame. I won't talk about the daily time frame. I'll primarily focus on the weekly time frame. So let's begin. So first of all, let us talk about this falling wedge which Bitcoin is right now forming for months. Yeah, so we've been forming this falling wedge for months right here, and as you can see, Bitcoin has been respecting these levels right here exactly. So this is resistance and this is support, and we can see that Bitcoin has been respecting these levels. So I therefore can say that Bitcoin is in this massive falling wedge, which by the way is a bullish reversal pattern to the upside. So what if we do break to the upside? I'll be mentioning my targets. So my target, once we actually do have a break to the upside right here and have a successful retest right here, the target of this falling wedge is actually a pump to this level right here, which is resistance, and that is at around 30k. Yeah, that's a target, 30k. This green zone right here is resistance. So this is actually a very bullish reversal pattern that is forming in the weekly time frame for the Bitcoin price. Now let us talk about the volume as well, because right now I'm also feeling extremely bullish when I look at the volume right here. Let me explain this to you guys. So when the bear market began right here, this is when I believe the bear market actually started, and this was just a relief rally before a massive sell-off. I believe this is where the beginning of the bear market actually started. So let's talk about this dump right here and also the volume right here. Yeah, this is in May 2021. So basically, if you take a look at the volume, we can see when Bitcoin started to, when Bitcoin was pumping right here, the volume was declining tremendously. Clearly in the charts, a decline in the volume despite the price going up. So that was a clear sign that a massive dump was impending and imminent, and we did exactly see this massive dump to the downside, about a 50% dump to the downside, followed by this relief rally. And guys, take a look at this. When we had this relief rally to the upside, a pump to around 69k, the volume was still declining. A very clear sign of a bear market, and clearly after that we started to see drastic dumps to the downside, and now I'm noticing a bullish something bullish in the volume right now, because take a look at this. Let me just remove stuff. So take a look at the volume, guys. The volume is starting to increase a little bit to the upside right here. Yes, the volume is increasing, and we cannot deny that, despite the Bitcoin price dumping and forming lower lows right here. I'm sorry, there are dogs outside barking, but let's just talk about the charts. Yeah, so clearly we formed a lower low in the Bitcoin price, but take a look at the volume. It is increasing. It is increasing. Could this increase in the volume be a signal that the bottom was already in right here at around 15.6k, and now we are coiling up for a massive move that will be taking us to this target right here at 30k? Is this the signal that the bull market is about to begin? And also guys, let me talk about the RSI right here, because we have also formed a massive bullish divergence right here. So observe this. We formed a lower low in the price. Yes, a low here and a lower low, but in the RSI we formed a higher low right here, showing signs of strength in the RSI. Could this be a sign that we are about to reverse to the upside right here and actually have a massive move to the upside that will bring us to this target right here at 30k at resistance? Now, I'm also noticing something very similar to the previous bear market rally right here. So observe this. In around 2018 to 2019, we had this capitulation that brought Bitcoin from $6.4 thousand to $3.1 thousand, this massive capitulation. And after the capitulation, we had this rally to the upside and moved sideways basically for some time, and then followed by this massive pump due to the Bitcoin halving and also the bull market actually. So I actually think Bitcoin is doing something similar right here, which is this one. Could we break to the upside of this falling wedge, have a successful retest, and have a rally to 30k, which is my target, by the way, or the target of this falling wedge? And after we do, of course, have a rally to the upside right here, are we gonna move sideways for a couple of months right here before actually going up right here for the next Bitcoin halving? I think Bitcoin is about to replicate the moves we did in 2018 to 2019. Very, very similar indeed. It could be happening, or it could happen actually. Clearly, this is a bullish reversal pattern. Break to the upside, have a retest, and then boom, rally to the upside to 30k right here. Then after we rally, we're going to be dumping, forming an ABC wave correction, and move sideways for some time or some months right here. And then the Bitcoin halving is actually set at February of 2024. So this is when the Bitcoin halving happens, and I'm expecting a massive pump after the halving. So yeah, basically it's going to look something like this. Yeah. So could this be what Bitcoin is about to do in the coming months? I'm going to be keeping an eye on the charts, but this is definitely looking bullish, and the weekly time frame is also looking very, very bullish. So I'll keep you guys updated with this pattern right here. So be sure to, of course, join my Discord server. I post daily market signals and updates, and you can also talk to the people in the server with the same likes as you. So the link to my server is in the description down below. Like this video if you learned something, subscribe if you haven't already. If you're bullish on Bitcoin, subscribe and watch this video that is being displayed on the screen right now.